Welcome to Motor Trend Now, your go-to destination for the latest reviews, news, and in-depth analysis of the automotive world. Today we're taking you on an exclusive in-depth walkaround of the 2024 Audi A6 Avant S line, an exemplary combination of elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The A6 Avant has long been one of Audi's most distinguished models, offering a refined balance of practicality and sportiness. With the 2024 iteration, Audi has pushed the boundaries even further, making this vehicle a standout choice for enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike. This walkaround will cover every detail of the 2024 Audi A6 Avant S line, from its bold and dynamic exterior design to its luxurious and tech-packed interior. Whether you're an Audi fan or someone considering a high-end luxury wagon, this review will give you an up-close look at what makes the A6 Avant S line a compelling option. One of the first things you notice about the 2024 Audi A6 Avant S line is its striking exterior. Audi has built a reputation for creating vehicles that exude sophistication without sacrificing sportiness, and the A6 Avant S line is no exception. It's a car that effortlessly balances elegance and performance, making it a head-turner in any setting. As part of the S-line trim, the 2024 A6 Avant features several styling upgrades that give it a more aggressive and athletic appearance compared to the standard model. The S-line front and rear bumpers are more sculpted, featuring larger air intakes at the front and a more pronounced diffuser at the rear. These additions not only enhance the car's visual appeal, but also contribute to its aerodynamic performance. At the front, the car is adorned with matrix LED headlights, which have become a signature feature of Audi's premium models. These headlights are not only visually striking, but also highly functional. They provide superior illumination while minimizing glare for oncoming traffic. The sharp, angular design of the headlights integrates seamlessly with Audi's signature single-frame grille, which has been widened and lowered for a more assertive stance. The single-frame grille is finished in glossy black with chrome accents, adding to the overall sophistication of the vehicle. The honeycomb mesh design within the grille and the lower intakes contribute to the car's sporty character, while the S-line badging subtly indicates its performance-oriented nature. From the side, the sleek, elongated profile of the A6 Avant showcases its estate wagon form, with a long roofline that tapers gracefully toward the rear. The flowing lines emphasize both speed and elegance, making the A6 Avant look as fast standing still as it does in motion. The body lines are crisp and taut, giving the car a muscular yet refined appearance. The wheel arches are subtly flared, housing 19-inch alloy wheels, or optional 20 or 21-inch rims for those who desire even more presence. These wheels are finished in a two-tone design that further highlights the sporty intent of the S-line trim. At the rear, the design remains sleek and minimalistic. The LED taillights span the width of the vehicle, connected by a chrome strip that accentuates the car's width. The taillights feature dynamic turn signals, another hallmark of Audi's modern design language. The dual exhaust outlets, finished in chrome, complete the sporty look, while the roof spoiler adds a touch of athleticism to the rear profile. The 2024 Audi A6 Avant S line is not just about looks, it's equally impressive when it comes to performance. Audi has engineered this vehicle to deliver a perfect blend of power, precision, and refinement, making it a joy to drive on highways, in cities, and on winding country roads. The A6 Avant S line comes with a range of engine options, but the most popular choice is the 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 261 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Paired with Audi's 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission, this powertrain offers smooth, rapid acceleration and effortless highway cruising. For those seeking more power, there's also the option of the 3.0-liter V6 engine equipped with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup produces a thrilling 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, enabling the A6 Avant to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds. The mild hybrid system not only boosts performance but also improves fuel efficiency by allowing the car to coast with the engine off under certain conditions. No Audi review would be complete without mentioning its Quattro all-wheel drive system. which comes as standard on the A6 Avant S line. Quattro is one of the most respected Audi systems in the industry, offering exceptional grip and stability in all weather conditions. Whether you're driving on dry pavement, wet roads, or even snow-covered terrain, Quattro ensures that power is distributed optimally to all four wheels, providing superior handling and control. To complement its powerful engines, the A6 Avant S line features an adaptive suspension system which allows the driver to adjust the car's ride height and damping settings. This system offers a smooth and comfortable ride in comfort mode, while sport mode stiffens the suspension for more dynamic handling. This duality makes the A6 Avant S line equally suited for long-distance cruising and spirited driving on twisty roads. Stepping inside the 2024 Audi A6 Avant S line, you're immediately greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and modernity. Audi is renowned for its high-quality interiors, and the A6 Avant continues that tradition with a design that's both driver-focused and passenger-friendly. The interior of the A6 Avant S line is a masterclass in premium craftsmanship. The seats are upholstered in Valcona leather, which feels both soft and durable, while the dashboard and door panels feature brushed aluminum inlays and piano black accents, adding a touch of sophistication. Audi's attention to detail is evident in every aspect, from the contrast stitching on the seats and steering wheel to the S-line badging on the door sills. The sport seats in the S-line trim are not only visually appealing, but also incredibly supportive. They offer a wide range of adjustments, including lumbar support and heating, with optional ventilation and massage functions, ensuring that both the driver and front passenger remain comfortable during long journeys. At the heart of the A6 Avant's tech-forward cabin is the Audi Virtual Cockpit, a fully digital instrument cluster that replaces traditional dials with a customizable 12.3-inch display. This system allows the driver to choose from various layouts, including a full-screen map view that's perfect for navigating unfamiliar routes. The centerpiece of the dashboard is Audi's MMI Touch Response infotainment system, featuring two high-resolution displays, a 10.1-inch upper screen for navigation and media controls, and an 8.6-inch lower screen for climate controls and other vehicle settings. The touch screens are responsive and intuitive, with haptic feedback providing a tactile confirmation for every input. In terms of connectivity, the A6 Avant S line is fully loaded with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and Audi Connect services. Wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensure that all devices remain charged and ready for use. For audiophiles, the available Bang & Olufsen 3D Premium sound system delivers an immersive audio experience with 16 speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin. Whether you're listening to your favorite playlist or enjoying a podcast, the sound quality is rich and crystal clear. One of the key benefits of choosing the Avant wagon body style is the generous cargo space. The 2024 A6 Avant offers 20 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats up, which expands to over 59 cubic feet with the seats folded down. This makes it an ideal choice for families or anyone who needs the versatility to carry large items like sports equipment or luggage for long trips. Passenger space is also ample, with plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear occupants. The panoramic sunroof further enhances the sense of space and light in the cabin, giving it an airy, open feel. Audi has equipped the 2024 A6 Avant S line with an extensive array of safety and driver assistance features, ensuring that you and your passengers are well protected on the road. Standard safety features include Audi Presense Basic and Front, which can detect potential collisions and automatically apply the brakes if necessary. The A6 Avant also comes with adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, making highway driving more relaxing by automatically maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. The 2024 Audi A6 Avant S line is a vehicle that truly stands out in the luxury wagon segment. It combines a stylish, aggressive exterior with a luxurious, tech-filled interior, and delivers performance that is both powerful and refined. Whether you're drawn to its advanced technology, premium comfort, or practical cargo space, the A6 Avant S line is a vehicle that excels in every aspect. Thank you for watching this in-depth walk-around of the 2024 Audi A6 Avant S line. Be sure to subscribe to Motor Trend now for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and the latest news from the automotive world. Don't forget to like and subscribe.